Welcome, nature enthusiasts! Today, we embark on a colorful journey to explore the mesmerizing world of the top 10 most beautiful parrots. From the majestic Hyacinth Macaw to the playful Sun Conure, each parrot we encounter paints a unique stroke in the canvas of biodiversity. Join me in this visual feast as we marvel at their vibrant plumage, delve into their habitats, and uncover the captivating stories these avian wonders bring to our natural tapestry. Let the enchanting symphony of colors begin. Budgies are not included in this video, because we have a separate video on budgies you can watch after this video.
Bird's beauty.
Number 1. The Blue and Yellow Macaw, also known as the Blue and Gold Macaw, is a large South American parrot with a mostly blue dorsum, light yellow, orange venter, and gradient hues of green on top of its head. It is a member of the large group of neotropical parrots known as macaws. Number 2. The Hyacinth Macaw, or Hyacinthine Macaw, is a parrot native to Central and Eastern South America. With a length of about 1 meter, it is longer than any other species of parrot. It is the largest macaw and the largest flying parrot species. Number 3. Eclectus Parrot. Exhibiting striking sexual dimorphism. Male Eclectus parrots are bright green, while females are predominantly red and purple. The extant Eclectus parrots are medium-sized parrots native to regions of Oceania, particularly New Guinea and Australia. Number 4. Cockatoo. Distinctive for its crest and the male's vibrant cheek patches, cockatoos are smaller parrots known for their affectionate nature. Number 5. The monk parakeet, also known as the monk parrot or Quaker parrot, is a species of true parrot in the family Sociable. It is a small, bright green parrot with a grayish breast and greenish-yellow abdomen. Its average lifespan is 20 to 30 years. It originates from the temperate to subtropical areas of South America. Number 6. The gray parrot, also known as the Congo gray parrot. Congo African gray parrot or African gray parrot is an old world parrot in the family Sociable. The Timneh parrot once was identified as a subspecies of the gray parrot, but has since been elevated to a full species, renowned for their intelligence. African gray parrots are excellent mimics and have an impressive ability to learn and replicate sounds. Number 7. Rose-ringed Parakeet. Recognizable by the distinctive ring around its neck, the rose-ringed parakeet displays a vibrant array of colors, with males featuring a rose-colored neck ring. Number 8. Malukan Cockatoo. The salmon-crested cockatoo, also known as the Malukan cockatoo, is a cockatoo endemic to the Seram archipelago in eastern Indonesia. At a height of up to 46 to 52 centimeters and weight of up to 850 grams, it is among the largest of the white cockatoos. The female is slightly smaller than the male. Number 9. Sun Conure, also known as the sun parakeet, is a medium-sized, vibrantly colored parrot native to northeastern South America. The adult male and female are similar in appearance, with black beaks, predominantly gold and yellow plumage, orange-flushed underparts and face, and green and blue-tipped wings and tails. Number 10. Scarlet Macaw. Recognizable for its brilliant red, blue, and yellow feathers. The Scarlet Macaw is one of the most iconic and colorful parrots. The Scarlet Macaw Macaw is a large neotropical parrot, native to humid evergreen forests of the Americas. In the vibrant tapestry of nature, these top 10 most beautiful parrots stand out as dazzling ambassadors of color and charisma. From the majestic Hyacinth Macaw to the playful Rose-ringed Parakeet, each feathered marvel showcases the breathtaking diversity found in the avian world. Let us marvel at the splendor of these winged wonders, appreciating the artistry nature has painted in every vivid plume. Subscribe for more glimpses into the extraordinary beauty that graces our planet. Until next time, keep soaring with the beauty of nature. Thank you for watching.
Bird's beauty.